Hello dear viewer, assalamu alaikum. In this video I'll show you how to 3 or 4 hours saving just 2 or 3 minutes. Let's get started in this video word tutorial. In this video I'll try to show you how to remove all comma, space, question mark, number, bracket, all or everything just within 2 or 3 minutes. If you manually want to change or remove this number, bracket, question mark, speech, need more time, but I will show you in this video how to remove all character or speeches and use minus sign. First need to control plus a shift press and then select and control plus C or copy, then intro open a word and try to open a new tab, just blank it. Here there is no any text here. Control plus B or paste here, and now start our operation how to remove this number, bracket, and number, speeches and speech. There are used spaces, we remove it and use minus sign, and all are want to change here within a command. Just let's check it out. For need to replace anything, you should go first, select home tab, and then go the right side, and corner option is replace. Just click on replace. Have show us here, you will show a pop-up. First need to change, and we need to space change minus sign to select first box, select as speech, just press on speech button, then speech, and second button box need to use minus sign, then replace all. Just magic. Here all done. We made change this operation, we may able to change just result 456 operation complete just one click. It's amazing. That's great. You look at this, all pieces speeches use minus sign, and now need to remove bracket and the number, then again select replace. Here need to use a command, enter black slash backslash and then bracket, then star, then again close bracket, then star, then black slash, then close bracket, and replace what we want to need. Just nothing, this we don't want to use anything, just make it delete the number sign, and then you select use wine card, and then replace all. Just amazing. 175 replacement. Okay, great. Look at this, there is no bracket, there is no number, and have a operation to remove question mark and comma. Let's again select, go there, replacement, here use, now here input question mark, and this is keep speech, and then okay, replace, go out, question mark, and then we need to remove comma, again input comma, this is second field empty, keep empty, and replace. All are okay. Now just amazing, look amazing. There is no number, there's no bracket, there's no comma, there's no question mark. All our speeches use minus sign. If you feel that it's very easy, simple, and that follow this. And therefore this operation, if you look your operation have two or more minus sign, then also replace button click and then use two minus sign, two or three minus sign. If you want to change anything, just first box input and second box what you want to replace, that just input here. That's okay. This immersing video just made for my special base team 12. And if you feel that interested, you may share this copy link your friend. But I share this video unlist, not public here right now, because it's maintain privacy. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Till then, take care. Assalamualaikum. And try to today upload this gig and best watch for me to this Friday, and within half an hour I published my gig based on this. Okay, just a request for you to please pray for me to get success in freelancing. Thank you, best of luck, tata, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.